Today we are going to learn common multiples. Already have learned common factors. Now the term to learn common multiples. This concept we can observe by the example. See here common multiples, how to find out for the given numbers. First of all, the multiples of 3. What are the multiples of 3 and how to find out the multiples? If you multiply by natural number set by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on, then we will get the multiple of that particular number. So how to find out multiple of 3, multiples of 3? Multiply these 3 by 1, 2, 3, 4 like these numbers. So like a tables, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 six are 18 like this. So many are there. Next, find out the multiples of 5. So how to find out the multiples of 5? Here also by multiplying all natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. So 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20 like this. Already we know that important point regarding these multiples. The number of multiples are more for each and every number. So there is no limit for this number of multiples. We have so many multiples for every number. That's why let us find only few multiples of each number. Then the third one is the multiples of 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24 and 6 fives are 30. If you observe here the list of multiples for 3, 5 and 6, by checking these all three list of multiples, then what are the common multiples? If you observe, we will get 30 in 3 table, 3 tens are 30 and 60 in 3 table. In the same way, 30 and 60 will get in 5 table, 30 and 60 will get in 6 table also. Observe one more example. The multiples of 4. Here the multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24 and so on. The multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36 and so on. By checking these both the list of multiples, what are the common multiples of 4 and 6? The common multiples of 4 and 6 are 12, 24, 36. 36 after also will get so many multiples, but so we are writing only few multiples here because we can't write all the multiples of numbers. Okay, so this is about common multiples. Now let us see the homework. Page number 59, exercise 3.4, first question. Not first question, third question. Find first 3 common multiples of 6 and 8. Let us see first question answer. So 6 and 8. Now we are going to write multiples for 6 and 8 also. The multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 66, 72 and so on. Okay. And the same way the multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72 and 18. What they are asking in the question, you should find out first 3 common multiples only. So the first 3 common multiples of 6 and 8 are 24 is common for both, 48 is common for both and 72 is also common for both. So the answer is 24, 48 and 72. First 3 common multiples for 6 and 8. This is a solution for third question A. Then try to do B as a homework. Means do it is in the classwork book only. Then move to the fourth question. Write all the numbers less than 100 which are common multiples of 3 and 4. Here also we need to find out multiples of 3 and 4 which are less than 100. First of all, write multiples of 3 which are less than 100. So here so many multiples we got from 3 onwards up to 99. List out all the multiples of 3. Okay, like this. And the multiples of 4 which are less than 100, here also from 4 onwards up to 96. Okay, because they are asking about a less than 100. So 96 is a multiple of 4 which is less than 100. So list out all the multiples of 4 which are less than 100 by observing these both the common multiples of 3 and 4. So in this both 12 is a common, 24 is also common, 36 is also common, 48 common, 60, 72, 84 and 96. These all are the common multiples for both 3 and 4 which are less than 100. Okay, observe here. So 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96. These all are the common multiples for 3 and 4 which are less than 100. So this is the fourth question answer. Okay, Nana. Then after fifth question already we completed. Now move to the sixth question. A number is divisible by both 5 and 12. By which other number will that number be always divisible? It's very simple. First of all, try to write multiples of 5 and then multiples of 12. So the multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20 like this. Okay, we already know so many number of multiples for each number. Write some list of multiples for 5 and the multiples of 12 are 12, 24, 36 like this. Here also write some list of multiples for 12. If you observe in these both the list of multiples, the least or the first common multiple of 5 and 12 is a 60. Okay, before 60 we won't get common multiple for both 5 and 12. After 60 we may get common multiples, but this 60 is the first or the least common multiple for both 5 and 12. So what does it mean? If a number is divisible by both 5 and 12, then it is also divisible by 60. They are asking that only in the question. If a number is divisible by 5 and 12, by which other number will that number be always divisible? So that is a 60. This is answer for sixth question, ma. Now move to the seventh question. I want to give this seventh question as a homework. What is the seventh question? A number is divisible by 12. By what other numbers will that number be divisible? For this one, here only one number is there, that is a 12. Very simple to write solution. You just find out the factors of 12. Okay, if any number is divisible by 12, then that number is always divisible by its factors also. So try to write factors for 12. Already you know how to write the factors. Then that is only solution for seventh question. Okay.